up Mexico's areas and many businesses
In Baltimore County, even Annapolis, were also hit hard by the flooding. It could take a few days before the full damage is assessed. Maryland was still used for Thursday night. Sky High Chopper 13 was over some of the worst of